Hi, my name is Nicole Bond, and I'm the Educational Technology Specialist here at Lincoln Intermediate Unit 12. I'm going to show you how you can change your camera settings in Google Meet. Now, this is a setting that is a little bit hidden for some folks to find, so that's why I'm going to go over how to find it. What you'll need to do is you'll need to go to meet.google.com, and whenever you're going to start your Meet, I'm just going to start one at random here. The one thing you're going to have to do is look in your video viewfinder, and you're going to go up here and you will look for these three dots where it says more options before you even start your meeting or join the meeting. Under the three dots, when you open it up, you're going to be looking for settings. Once you click on settings, it's going to bring up this dialog box. You'll notice that there's an audio setting. So if I have an additional mic I want to hook up, microphone, I can use this audio setting to select a different microphone if I had another one that was hooked up that I wanted to use. Additionally, I can go over here to where it says video. Click on video for you. And when I'm in here in video, you'll see I can change some resolution if I'd like to. But where I change my camera, if I have another camera hooked up, is right here where it says camera. So for instance, I have an IPVO Ziggy hooked up here so that I can share information about my Sphero Bolt. So if I wanted to, if that was what my Google Meet was going to be about, or if I was live streaming from maybe another camera for students who are learning from home, I might use my Sphero Bolt. So you'll see here I have the new background blur on. I'm going to turn that off so that it doesn't interfere with this particular camera. So if you do use background blur, just keep it in mind so that I have that camera set up and I can join my Meet now using that camera instead of my regular camera. And you'll see that that camera is what is being used. I can turn off the camera if I need to. If I go over here to these three dots, maybe I want to pivot cameras, I can go to settings, video, go back into my camera again, switch it back to me, hit close. When I turn my video on, it's back to my webcam. So you'll see that there are a couple of different ways to do the settings with the camera. The first one is before you join the meeting, looking for the three dots. And once you're in the meeting, it's down here, these three dots again for more options. And you know that it's hidden under that gear setting like Google likes to do. I hope this was helpful.